Hello, assalamualaikum, and hi guys, welcome back to my channel Famizo. So today I'm gonna do a simple unboxing on the thing that I very like, which is a 3-in-1 cable. But this one I very like it because it is short. Of course you can bring it when you travel or when any convenient times. So this is a brand, NOMAD brand, and it is the cable, of course, have the lightning cable, micro USB cable, and type C cable. So you can choose if you have any phone with it, or if your friends want to use your cable to charge their phone, so you don't have to worry because it is 3-in-1, and it is a 0.3 meter length or 1 feet, and it is a Kevlar reinforced cable, which is it is tough cable that won't easy to break. So it has 5-year guarantee, so you don't have to worry about the cable that because this cable itself is a long lasting. So let's the cable I bought around 20 US dollar, including shipping to Malaysia, if I'm not mistaken, and it is with a discount because this is the first purchase that I bought from the NOMAD website, and I have seen the NOMAD brands around for some time, and people say that it is a quite good brand. So they are selling other cables you can see on the NOMAD website, which is I will include it link in description below. So let's open it up. So the box is very simple and I like it, and you have a very nice long cable, and the back side, of course, it has a description of what inside of what the cable is made of. So it has rugged Kevlar central core, 20 AWG for fast charging, fast synchronize, thick moisture barrier, and rugged Kevlar braid. So I think this is a good cable. I have very many cable, but as you can see, this is a magnetic, which is I very like. Unlike there maybe other box, which is maybe they don't include the magnet, so you can keep this case in case if you want to sell the cable, if you want to use it, because the box is reusable. But I think it's good if you keep it because the box itself is very nice, and maybe if you want to keep your coins, notes, and everything. So this is the cable. Like I said, it is 3-in-1, so you can change it whenever you like. Either you want to use the micro USB here, or the type C, or the lightning cable. So if you want to use the type C, just stick it in. So that's it. And if you want to use the lightning, just stick it in. So you have to rotate it first, of course. See, this is simple. So let's test it. If it is true, it is fast charging or not. I always find a cable that is suitable for me, because cable is very important if I have traveled to some place and I have to bring a power bank with me, because I use it. Sometimes I use my tablet a lot if I don't want to bring my laptops, because a laptop is very big. So I will use my tablet to do some works. So I just bring my power bank, 20k milliamp hour power bank, which is very convenient for me. So let's test it with my OK power bank. We want to test it if it is fast charging or not. Okay, on my tablet, as you can see, it is shown that it is fast charging. So it's 2727 milliamp. So it is proven that this cable is fast charging. So if you are interested to buy, I will include the link on the description below. So I think that's all for this video, and if you like, you can click like, share, and of course if you want to see my other videos, you can subscribe. And thank you for watching. Stay safe.